So I also gotta let all that oil out of there. Get that water out, but that's just, I gotta get in there anyway. Okay, y'all, I'm finna go hunt for some pieces, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank y'all. Yo, what's up, y'all? All right. Well, let's look at the good, the bad, and the ugly. Right off the rip, front fenders and front forks bent. I'm trying to see if this rotor, I don't think it's bent. Kind of scared me there. Still up front here. Got one mirror that could probably work, especially for now, till I decide what I'm gonna put on them. This one broke. This one bent. Dirty as hell. Okay. The biggest thing that I did not see was here. So that meant this brake hit into it, because that's some thin. And we back. Battery died on me, y'all. So we was right here. Like the brake hit it, so I'm gonna have to look for that cover, but I didn't see that when I was looking at the damage. I don't think this nothing bad off inside of that though. Also got to get the foot pedal on this side. The real one is still. I'm gonna look to see what I have. I hope it'd be nice if I had some already, but I'm gonna need the ones with the pad on them. More than likely, this being a single cylinder, it's gonna vibrate. It's gonna vibrate, y'all. All right. Yamaha 400. Okay. Coming to the back. Well, aftermarket seat, which is a cheap seat. Yep. It is a cheap seat. But that's what it came with, so that's what I'm gonna use, huh? The two back lights are gone. The wires are there, but the light is gone. I'm going to see. I don't know. What's this? Okay, there's a screw in now, but the screw came out right here. Okay, so that can go back down there. I didn't want to take that off. I wanted to keep that. And then I might take it off because it looked like it's bent. And it won't really take too much away from the bike. Alright. Chain don't look bad. Aluminum rims. Okay, shocks look good. Helmet lock, something you don't see a lot. Also something you don't see a lot is a center stand anymore. Definitely don't. This side of the motor looking good. Not seeing anything, no fins, anything broken. I do like this, some heavy duty aluminum. Clutch looks good. This is what I was saying about the foot. Got the rub on it, so I'm gonna probably go back with that. I'm hoping I already had these fork tubes. I got some fork tubes. I'm really hoping I got them already. That would save me a lot of money, and I'll be able to do the fork tubes and be able to move this bike around. So I'm also kind of doing this to get me an assessment of what I'm gonna need, because I won't know if that front wheel is has any wops to it until I do the forks. But they fork seals looking good. Yep, fork seals looking good. I won't know until then. So I'm gonna check to see if I got levers and things. Grip toe to hell, and it's broke here, but I can live with that, you know. I can live with that. The clocks look good. It has 6,197 miles. I do not know. I don't remember if they said I had the key, if they had the key or not. I really don't want to have to go get a key either. Now, I'm thinking one of the first things I'm going to do is take that fender off. Once I take that fender off and make it move, because I got to move it around to work on it. As for the tank, it's not leaking right now. So, that's going to be one of the last things that I pick up. Yeah, for y'all who don't know, this is a SR400 Yamaha. I do like these bikes. I do like them. It's also a kickstart only. Yes, sir, kickstart only. So, but yeah, this is my initial walk around for y'all. We're gonna have a few videos on this. But I'm gonna try to use whatever I got first before I even spend any money, because this is a low budget build, real low. I shouldn't have to do that with them handlebars. Yeah, this is a real low budget build, so that's what we starting with. Two main things, forks, and my case on this side. Then I'll be able to. Well, if I get the case, I can check the motor, and the forks just help me move it around. Alright, y'all, don't forget to like, subscribe. Okay. Alright, first thing we're gonna try to get off is the fender. I got a 12. Ain't got much room to work on in here. 12 seemed to be the right one though. Kind of wish I'd have put the drill on them. Can't really get my hand in there. I think once I get this off and I can move this bike around, I'm gonna have to get in that tray. I want to swing this bike to a certain way. Kind of rare. Got the doggone sick I forgot what you call them. One time you look up there, you take them off or break them off. The reflector. Tight in here. Should also give me a little movement so I can get to getting that brake off too. That's what I'm doing. I'm going fender first. Then once I get the fender, I'm gonna go for the taking the brake off after that. Yeah, this Yamaha, I bid really small money on it, dude. I wasn't expecting to even win it. So when they shot me an email and said, hey, you won, I was like surprised. I gotta get to the other side, y'all. So y'all can see that. But what I'm doing is, see right there, those bolts right there, that's what I'm getting. I got two on this side. I gotta get. I also want to get my. Also want to get me a little tray. Put my screws in. Don't want to lose them. But these, I thought it would have probably been 13, but they're 12. I'm seeing some damage on that neck, so I'm going to have to check this, make sure I ain't got no busted wheels. Yeah, I'm seeing some frame damage. Definitely got to check that. Don't want to, but if I have to, I could always get another frame. Yeah, I could always get another frame if I just really have to, you know. Whatever you do, you definitely got to be safe. Reflector held on by these two bolts to hold the fender. Something I am noticing though, and that is a lot of this is beefy on here. It's real beefy. You know, and that's a good thing. Right over there. Pop out from it. Okay. Make sure put that on this other side holding. Okay, just the bin is what's holding it. Yep, it's just the bin. The bins. Yeah, it's all heavy metal, heavy iron. I give it that. Better see that front wheel now, right there. Kind of seems like I got a little bit of a wobble to it. Don't really want that. Stop here. pop ends. These pop in right here. I like loosening these before I take them off to make it easy when I put them back. That's just something I like doing. Hopefully I got that. Hopefully. Because I don't know if I do or don't. If not, then I may end up having to make something. It's holding this. There we go. Get out of my way. They say move. Get out of my way. This might be it. We're gonna sure find out here in a second, huh? Yep, we're gonna definitely find out here in a second. That'll work. Set y'all right there. Y'all can see that. Y'all can see if it worked. I think I found it, but I'm gonna have to end up moving these handlebars. Like one thing leading to another one. Usually these just pop ins like so. I'm surprised they have all four. Every time I've seen bikes, they always lost them, you know. Okay. I may be able to just lean them bars back. But I still gotta find the tool. Hold up, y'all. Alright, y'all, so here, take these all the way out. And oh yeah, they got arrows on them also. So don't forget that. If you see it, they got arrows on them. Can I take them all the way out and move the handlebars? I got both of them loosened up pretty good, which means now I can go ahead and take the front tire off after I try to move this bike. Yeah, I need to move this bike. Let me get situated because I want to try to move this to a certain area. Then I'll cut you back on once I get that did. Okay, so I got a 10 and a 12. Yeah, I don't want to take them all the way out. Okay, we got these pinch bolts on down here with your boy. Yeah. All right, we got these pinch bolts here. It might be a 13. Oh. Try 14. 14 looks like it worked. So I can unloosen them. gonna put these back on here because I don't want to lose them. You know how it is, sometimes you lose stuff. Okay, then we gotta get the bolt on the other side. I'm gonna have to use air on that. Get y'all back a little bit. $19 will work. Okay, let's see what we can do here. You like that air? Alright. Guess that means I'll have to bring y'all back when the air's up. Okay, so I didn't want to wait. So I did it by hand, got the brake off with 2 screws, unscrewed this one. I put the nut back on it because I'm thinking I'm gonna have to just kind of tap it a little bit. Y'all over here to this side so you can see right here. I'm grabbing this screwdriver and put it in here. Spacers. Gotta remember what's out my spacers on. Cause I may have a little problem there. There's some speed on this side, space on this side. Okay. Go back, put my washer and my bolt back on it in the direction that it goes. Okay, we got that off. Also, I want to show y'all something here. With the tie off, I can do this. I grab it and we can spin it. She's not wobbly like I thought she was. She got a little bit, but not a whole lot. So good. That means that she good. Okay, I can take these out one by one. May need a screwdriver. I'm seeing this little screw here. Seeing this little screw here. Like it's holding these up. Looks like could be a Phillip. Let's see here. That's gonna be rough. There we go. Yeah, that was holding them up. I'm gonna put the screws back though. But I'm noticing what I'm liking. They did some of the detail. Little small things like this make a difference. Yeah, little small things make a difference when they like this. You know, you may not notice it, but little things like that make a big difference to a bike. Okay. Let me see if it will move. One of them will move at least. You know? Let's see if one of them will move. I'm gonna have to get a flat and try to open them up a little bit. Gotta tap it a little bit. The heck? Well, it's moving. What made you stop moving? Was it the turn? Because I did turn it some. I turned it the other way, maybe. Well, I ain't trying to save these, so I know what I'm gonna do. Yep, since I ain't trying to save them, I can put this on there. And try to turn it. Let me see if I can tap it down. Don't want to go easy. Tell you that. Let me take the screws out. Might get lucky once I open this up a little bit. She moved. There she go. One. Like a little rusty. All right. Let's go to number 2. Take the screws out on this side too. I just like putting the screws back because I've lost screws before. Move pretty good for the top. Oh, there she go. I'm on hook 2. There we go. And that's that one. Put the 2 screws back over here. Little screwdriver. Okay, so that's how you remove forks on a bike. Specifically, this is SR400 Yamaha. Okay, so I guess the next one we'll be breaking those forks down and seeing if what I got will work, which I hope it will. Definitely hope it will. Oh, there you go, right there. 0414. I thought it was a 15. They had it marked as a 15. Wonder if I can get my money back because of that. Huh. Didn't think of that, but yeah. Oh, you see that all down there? Water got in that case. When I was moving it, I tilted it.